Hi guys, welcome back to Budget Love. How are you guys doing? I know it's still a little crazy out there. I hope you guys are protecting yourself when you go outside. It's still a little crazy. Make sure you protect yourself because not only when you protect yourself, you also protecting your family, which is very important. Also, if you haven't subscribed, quickly do so, and don't forget to like and share this video. Alright, so today is going to be a little different. So today I'm going to be sharing a tool with you guys. As you know, the first step in creating a budget is determining your take-home income slash pay. So I have a tool for you guys that you can just in 5 minutes determine how much money you'll be taking home in a week, in 2 weeks, or if you can even do it monthly. So we live in a digital world. There's an app for everything. So I happen to find the perfect one for you guys. It's very easy to use, very user friendly. You guys will love it. So before I start, I just want to define what is take home pay. So take home pay is the money that you actually take home. So it's your gross income minus taxes and any deductions that you have. All right.
Okay, so when you first download the app, this is what it's gonna look like. I don't like the dark, so I'm just gonna change it into light mode. Alright, so that's how I like it. So there are 7 sections into this. It's very easy, but I'm just gonna go through everything and explain every single section. Alright, so the first part just shows you the summary of your paychecks. So the first thing is your gross income, which is the income before taxes and before any deductions, and then it gives you the pre-tax deductions, which are deducted before any tax calculations, and then you have your taxes that are taken out of your paycheck. So you have your federal tax, social security tax, Medicare tax, and state tax. Then after that, you have your post-tax deductions, which are deducted after tax is calculated. And then you have your non-taxable income. So once you fill below sections out, and they'll populate a number, and then your net income will be your take-home pay. So it will be what you actually take home. Okay, so the first setting is it's either you get paid, you are a salary employee, or you are an hourly employee. So whatever you are, you just select which one you are. So our first example is gonna be salary one. So we're gonna do yearly mode, and then your pay frequency. So if you get paid daily, if you get paid every day, weekly, every week, bi-weekly, every 2 weeks. Semi-monthly is twice a month. Monthly is every month. Quarterly, every quarter. Semi-yearly, twice a year. And yearly, every year. Most people get paid either weekly or bi-weekly, so we're just gonna do weekly for that. Okay, so um, okay, then now you go into put in your salary. So we're just gonna do $35,000 as an example. Okay, so this section, so your marital status. So if you are not married, then you're single. So we're just gonna put single. And for the state, you can choose the state that you live in. So we're gonna do New York. Allowances. So for allowances is, so when you get a job, right? When you get a job, they give you, once you get hired, they give you the W-4 to fill out. So that's where the allowances come from. So you can either claim 0. If you're single, you can claim 1. If you're married, you can claim 2. All right, so if you're married with kids, so say you're married and you have 1 kid, you can claim 3. My advice would be to claim zero. So when you claim zero, of course more taxes get taken out of your paycheck. But when it comes time for you to file your taxes, there's a likely chance for you to get a refund, or if you have to pay more taxes, it will not be a significant amount. But when you claim one, two, or three, you are more likely not to get a refund, and when you'll have to send more money. You'll have to pay more taxes because so when you claim one, two, or three, so you take more money home. So that's why. So for this example, we're gonna do zero. So that's that. So usually salary people are not qualified for overtime. For deduction, so we're gonna do two deductions. So the first one we're gonna do for a 401k one. So this is a before tax deduction, and we're gonna do a percentage. So let's say it's 3%. Okay, so that's one. So we add that. If we want to add another one, we go back in it. So we'll do healthcare. Healthcare, and we're gonna do so before tax, and it's gonna be a fixed amount of $50. Add. Okay, and then that's it. So then when we go back up, we see the gross pay is $673, and it shows you all the deductions and taxes, post deduction. Well, there was none, and the net income is $465. So this is the amount you taking home, for this example. So then I'm just gonna go back. So let's do an hourly one. So let's say, so then I'm gonna go back and change my income mode to hourly. Okay, so let's say they work 40 hours a week, $15, $15 an hour. Let's just say they're single. Say, let's do Rhode Island as a state. Still zero allowances. Deduction. We're gonna leave the same deductions. So let's say they work 10-hour overtime. Okay, so usually overtime. So when you work overtime, you get paid time and a half, which is $15 plus 7.50. So that's 22. So that's the overtime hourly rate. You add that. No additional income. Okay. So for this example, the gross income is $825. Shows you all the deductions, and the net income is $587.26. Um, so I think this is a great. Oh, also you have the option to add any additional income. So if you have if you have any side hustles, any other jobs you have, any other source of incomes, you can definitely add it to this, to get your total income. So you guys how to download it on your phone. Okay, so then you go into the Play Store. I have an Android, so, and also you if you have an iPhone, you can download it on your iPhone as well. It's you'll be able to find it. So you search for paycheck calculator. Okay. So that's the one right there with the green background and the pink folder. click on it, and of course you install it. I already have it open. I mean, I already, oh my god, I already have it installed. So so they have a 4.7 rating, which is pretty good. A lot of people like it, a lot of good reviews. So it's a really good one.
I hope you like it. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and like this video. All right, bye.